Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Startline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes in the solid paint colour candy white, and the vehicle sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear-loading barn doors. The vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the doors and taking a look into the load area, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle, where a step can be found, and separating load area from the cab is a full steel black bulkhead. The driver's seat has 2 armrests. Next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Users can access all their favourite DAB radio stations, connect their smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or access a variety of different settings. Beneath this we'll find the climate controls. The van comes with climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left we'll have a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke, multifunction, leather-trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Startline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.